Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. I have a new table setting for you. This is my Dollar Tree gender reveal table setting. So again, this was pretty easy to do, and of course it was very cheap. And let's begin, and I'll show you what I actually did. So to get started, I actually got the Dollar Tree paper napkins. So I got these in pink, and of course I got them in blue. And I have the Dollar Tree napkin ring holders. And what I did was I just alternate the pink and the blue napkins. Also, I got the pink and blue tablecloths. And what I did was I took each of the tablecloths and folded them in half because it would be too long to actually put the entire pink tablecloth on and the blue one on. So again, I just folded them in half and then laid them right next to each other. And then we got the plates. We have the pink square plates. I was going to alternate the pink and blue square plates, but my Dollar Tree did not have them in blue. So instead, I just got the pink and then I put the round blue plates on top. And I still think that they came out pretty nice. I think it's still a cute look. So now we move to the cups. I did the same thing. I have the pink cups and I just put actually a paper napkin in the cup just to, you know, give it a different look. Same thing, I did a blue cup with the pink napkin and I just alternated, you know, going down. Let's see, next are the centerpieces, which are my favorite from Dollar Tree, just taking the cylinder vases and wrapping them in bling. So I already had these wrapped in silver bling, but if you want, you can actually, you know, get even more creative and wrap them in pink bling and blue bling and alternate them as well. The Dollar Tree does have those colors, or at least mine does. And then next we have this, because I wanted to kind of fill the table up and not have it look so empty. And I just got some more Dollar Tree glasses and took some, actually the same paper napkins and just added them into the glasses. And I think it's kind of cute. You know, it's different. Maybe what I would do next time is actually put one of the tea light candles in the bottom of these so that, you know, you'll get that little candle effect. And then also in the jars are the Dollar Tree candles. So there you have it. And then lastly, you know, for people who watch my channel know that I love taking pictures. And what better way for a backdrop than to use the same napkins to create a backdrop? How easy is this? So we have pink and blue alternating napkins just on the string, and you can have your guests stand in front of this backdrop and take pictures. Another idea I had in mind was to actually write boy or girl on the napkins, or you can write he or she, or, you know, whatever you like. For now, I thought it was just cute just to have this. I would probably add another row or two, you know, just to create a more fuller backdrop. But again, I think this ties in well, and I don't think that people really care that their napkins hanging on a string. I think it actually adds a little to this table setting. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope you guys subscribe so you can get notified of more table settings, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.